Hello everyone, today we will solder. I will collect one interesting thing from very common KT315 transistors. What exactly I will do, you can see in this video. The outputs on the KT315 transistor are arranged as follows: base, collector, emitter. I will now bend the base and collector so that all the transistors can be conveniently connected together. Now I will solder a 10 kΩ resistor to the base of each transistor. And I will solder a 470 ohm resistor to the collector. The next stage is the installation of capacitors for 220 microfarads each. On the collector of each transistor, I soldered the wires that will connect to the LEDs. Now you need to install the C4 capacitor. In this circuit, this is one of the most important details, because without this capacitor, the circuit will not work. Or, at best, only one LED will blink. To make this circuit look compact, I will now try to solder the capacitor directly into the middle of this entire structure. It remains only to connect the LEDs according to the scheme and connect them. Well, that's it, the scheme is ready and now we will check how it works. The supply voltage is 5 volts. As you can see, this circuit works perfectly. But with 3 LEDs, the traveling wave does not look very impressive. So now I will make this track a little longer. For each channel, I will connect 3 LEDs connected in parallel. Let's see what happened. This circuit works great from a voltage of 5 volts and as a power source. You can use any charger from a smartphone. You can also use the USB output. As you can see, such common transistors as KT315 can be easily used in circuits to create the effect of running lights on LEDs. If you liked this video, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the Invex Lab channel. I thank you for watching and bye. KT315 can be easily used in diagrams. In diagrams they can be used. Brilliant. I will collect from one of the most of the KT315 can be easily used to create a running track. And also for exercise bikes and other things.